I'm Soups. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Sardine. We are a behavior-based risk platform. In order to build a really long-lasting business, it all comes down to people. How do you find the best talent worldwide, and how do you ensure that they are happy and a part of your journey in your success? Before Deel came about, if you wanted to make a hire, then you have to factor in the time it takes to get immigration done for them, or maybe you can't get business visas for them. Or you have to then factor in a very massive calculation on, do I really want to hire more employees in that location, and therefore do I have to set up an entity there? What I have observed is that Sardine and Deel, we share a very similar ethos, which is that in order to hire the best talent worldwide, you could literally hire them from anywhere. And you could really build a world-class company by embracing the work from anywhere culture. What we've been able to achieve is essentially literally optimize the quality of the talent that we want, while also optimizing for the capital spend for the business, and at the same time ensuring that we are paying at market in those geographies. It's a trifecta, right? And that's what Deel has been able to help us with.